In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subscribers on Convertkit. Whether you're adding a single subscriber, importing a list, or integrating from another platform, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Convertkit website. Once you reach the main page, we'll dive into adding subscribers. Convertkit's interface is user-friendly, which makes it easy to find everything you need. If you're looking to add just one subscriber, start by heading to the Grow tab at the top of your screen. From there, click on Subscribers. This is your hub for managing all your contacts. You'll see various options here, but for adding individuals, select Add Subscribers. You'll then need to choose the One Subscriber option. It's a straightforward process. Simply enter the subscriber's first name and email address into the respective fields. After inputting this information, click Next, and finally hit Finish. And there you have it. You've successfully added an individual subscriber to your list. Now, if you need to import multiple subscribers at once, for instance, from a CSV file, the process is quite similar. Again, go to the Grow tab and select Subscribers. Click Add Subscribers, but this time choose the Import CSV File option. Here, you'll have to select the CSV file from your computer. Make sure that your file is well prepared, with columns clearly labeled for first names and email addresses. After you've selected your file, you'll need to map these fields to the corresponding fields in Convertkit. This step ensures that all your data goes to the right place. Once everything is mapped, click on Import Subscribers, and your list will start populating within the platform. Lastly, you might want to import subscribers from another email provider. This can save you a lot of time and effort, especially if you're transitioning to Convertkit. Start by returning to the Grow tab and then Subscribers. Choose Add Subscribers once more, but this time, select the Import from another provider option. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your account with the other provider. Convertkit will guide you through connecting the two accounts, ensuring a smooth transfer of your subscribers. And there you have it, 3 efficient ways to add subscribers on Convertkit. As you work through these steps, remember that each option, whether it's adding a single subscriber or importing from another provider, is designed to make your email marketing experience as seamless as possible. With these tools at your disposal, you're well on your way to growing your subscriber list effectively. Thanks for tuning in, and happy